In this video, I want to show you how you connect your battery with your Kickstarter. That is the reason why I do this video. This is my Kickstarter. It has two cables. This is the first cable. You can see the first cable here. This is the battery terminal, and why this is the second cable here. So how will you know the one for positive and the one for negative? Normally, this way you can see red on positive, while black on negative. But if you can see the red sign and the plus sign, how we know this is the Kickstarter. Anywhere that come from this is the solenoid, Kickstarter solenoid. Anywhere that come from this solenoid, at the back of this solenoid is your positive. Whether it is red, whether it is green, whether it is black, no matter the color of the wire, anywhere that comes from here is your positive. It will go to your battery positive. Anywhere that comes from here, you can see this is your solenoid. This is a solenoid, Kickstarter solenoid. Anywhere that comes from it is a positive. Any other wire that comes from another place, sometimes it can be from here, from the kick, or they can hurt it with the engine body, just like this one. This is where it is tied. It is hurt here. It's your negative. Remember, anywhere that comes from your solenoid, this solenoid, anywhere that comes from here, this is Kickstarter. This is Kickstarter solenoid. Anywhere that comes from your Kickstarter solenoid is your positive. The other wire can be tied anywhere. Your negative wire can be tied anywhere. That one will work with your battery negative. You can see the battery, this is negative sign, while this is the positive sign. So this positive will work with your positive, while your negative, which is here, it will work with your negative here. So, but if the negative can also be put here, it will still work. It can be fixed anywhere here, just to hurt it to the Kickstarter. It can also be here. You can see my hand. It was to work. That is how to fix your Kickstarter cable. In another video, I'm going to show you how to double the battery, either on 24 or 12 volts. Do it to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you in another video. Thank you.